This is the front end from my car that got hit after it was broken down at 6560 and 6562. 6562, I mean 6560 took their car and hit my whole car and pushed it into the street. You can see the blue paint from their Hyundai Sonata or whatever it was in the police report. It'll be showing the kind of car it was because they said it was blue. They hit my car. You can see the paint from it. They also messed up my fender, my bumper. You can see all of that damage from it. That was not like this prior to the wheel coming off. You can see where they clearly hit it and damaged it.
Got it down.
You can see what's going on up underneath.
No, I'm trying to say, we're not worried about really. We worried about